Hello viewers, it's Prince here. Welcome to another new video. If this is your first time on this channel, just kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share with friends and family. So guys, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you this other part of the OIC road project here in Bakau. Yeah, as you can see guys, this is how it looks here currently. Yeah, this is the OIC road project. And guys, don't forget to give the video a like, share and subscribe. Guys, this is what is going on here. Guys, I'm being so careful here because every single time there'll be a big machine behind me or coming in front of me, so that's why I'm always careful here. So anyways guys, this is the road development here in Bakau, the Gambia. Yeah, this is the road that leads to Serakunda and Westfield. This is how it looks now. So this is how it looks. Guys, it's like my camera is dusty. Let me just wipe the lens. Sorry. Guys, this road is so wide. Just take a look. It's so wide. Let me be walking in the middle of the road so that I can get the both angles of the road. Guys, you see how wide the road it is? The road is and guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share with friends and families. When this road is ready, when it is done, it will change the look of this area. It even changed the look of this area, but because it wasn't like this before. Yeah, so now you see guys, this is the road development, OIC road construction in the Gambia. Ooh. No black liquid having They haven't put any black liquid here, so yeah. But the area I started the video, like the place I started the video, that is where the black liquid have stopped. Guys, let me be walking here because they put barriers on that side, so guys, this road leads to Bakau, deep inside Bakau, and then I'm just gonna wait for this vehicle to pass and then I need to be very careful here because some drivers don't even honk at you, they just rush you. So guys, this is how this road project looks, and those big bags you see in there are cement. They are full of cement. So yeah. Just look at the vehicles using the down lanes on the both sides. Alhamdulillah. Guys, I'll be ending the video here. guys, I'll be ending the video here. If this is your first time on this channel, just kindly hit the subscribe button, like and share with friends and family. I'm out. Peace. See you next time. This is all what I have for you on this OIC road and the surrounding. Yeah.